Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Pay and making sure your device is secure. That protects payments and account recovery. Once done, tap Sign In and enter the Google account email or phone you already prepared. If prompted, choose the account when multiple accounts appear. This avoids linking the wrong profile. Make sure your internet is stable so validation steps complete without delay, and keep your phone unlocked to streamline authentication prompts. Next, type your password and tap Next. Use a password manager if you prefer accuracy. If two-step verification appears, approve the prompt or enter the code sent to your phone or Authenticator app to prove it's you. Once authenticated, grant necessary permissions such as contacts or location so pay features work correctly. These are why the app can show nearby offers and verify recipients. Make sure to read permission prompts before accepting to control privacy. Finally, follow on-screen steps to add a card or skip to use basic features. Adding a payment method requires verification and may ask for photo or SMS confirmation. Once your account shows as active, test a small transfer or check passes to confirm everything's synced. If something goes wrong, pause and verify your internet, clear Google Pay cache, or use the Forgot Password flow to reset credentials. These quick fixes resolve most login blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.